Welcome back to Disguise Day in Math today. If you don't have a disguise on, please go ahead and go grab your outfit, your disguise, whatever it is. Make it quick, make it great, and it doesn't even need to be store-bought, so just you can put on anything. Okay, kiddos, today we're talking about polygons. Can you hear the word gone inside polygon? I bet you can. Inside that word polygon, let me grab my pointer here. That word gone, that's talking about its sides and its corners. So really what it's saying is it's saying sides. If you hear the word poly, that means many. So many sides or polygon. All right, so that's kind of how we break it down. Just like in the word hexagon, that is 6 sides, which is the same thing that means hex. Hex means 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6-sided shape of a hexagon. And so we're talking about polygons and what are not polygons. So let's take a closer look at that. Inside the word polygon, things that are polygons are going to have all straight sides. Take a look at this red triangle. All the sides are straight. There's nothing crisscrossed. There's nothing cutting it in half. It is straight. Just like this shape. Some of these shapes that don't really have names, they're just kind of interesting shapes. Those are all polygons. Even like these little pieces. In fact, when I was a kid, I loved skateboarding so much, I saved up all summer for this. It was a Vision Mark Gonzalez model edition skateboard. It's the old school kind. And in fact, on the back side, you can see Mark Gonzalez there. But on this side, I cut all of his face out in the shape of polygons. And a lot of them are just irregularly shaped. They just need to have straight sides, and they need to be touching vertices. You can't have anything left over. So like if I were to have a circle, not a polygon. It's got curved sides. If I were to have this little arch, also not a polygon. This cool little triangle kind of pizza slice here, not a polygon because of this curved side. These two sides would almost make it a polygon like this triangle, but since it doesn't have the bottom part where it's straight and that's curved, it is not a polygon. Look back at your screen there and take a look. This one is not a polygon because it's divided into half. Even though this side and this side, if you rip those apart, those two would be polygons on their own. But when you put them together, they're not a polygon. And it's because of that line down the middle. Open shapes like this, not a polygon. Open shapes like this one, not a polygon. Curved shapes like this guy, you get it, not a polygon. And anything kind of funny with this like popping off there, that little side getting left off there like a tail, or these two shapes kind of kissing at that vertice, those are not polygons. Even a star is a polygon unless you cut it into a part like that and put a pentagon inside it. So that's the tricky part to remember, kids. If you see a regular shape and it is not broken up, it is a polygon. But if you see it start to get broken up with another shape inside it, it's not a polygon anymore. All right, I hope that helps, and I'll see you on the next slide.